अगर आप 100 ला रहे हो तो कैसे उसको 110 पहुंचाया जाए, ये जो लड़ाई है, इसी के वजह से जो है आपका जीएस का स्कोर सिग्निफिकेंटली इंप्रूव होता है। माय जीएस स्कोर इन 2023 attempt was 416 marks, while in the 2024 attempt it was 435 marks. For GS2, let me tell you about what exactly are the bare minimums and what exactly is it that you have to prepare for answer writing. Maintaining fact sheets is very important. Now, what are those? They include articles, they include committees, they include Supreme Court or other case laws, they include quotes. These quotes can be of dignitaries of the Supreme Court judges, they can be of our freedom fighters or our leaders, for example Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Along with this, examples are very important, and these examples can be both international best practices. For example, in a question recently on women's representation, because the Nari Shakti Vandana Adhiniyam was passed, so if we include an example called as Emily's List, which is a practice that is followed in the US, where this is an organization that helps women representation to improve in their Congress. So using these international best practices in our examples as part of our answers also makes a huge difference when it comes to GS2 answer writing. Along with that, domestic examples in India, for example in governance or in social justice, adding all of these is what is the edge that an examiner is looking for, and it really helps us score well. Our target has to be 0.5 marks. हर सवाल में मुझे आधा नंबर मेरा बढ़ाना है.